So as you can see, the Vickers Maxim linker model, at least the 3D model, is complete. So all the components are there. You can see that it is a fully baked model, which includes the hopper, the let's use the word the plunger, the pusher, as well as an advancement pawl. The only thing that's not working in the model is the actual pole advance to the camshaft linkage, but I'll be able to show that separately. So as you can see, you turn the crank, the camshaft moves, and then the needle will advance and actually spread out the belt. And then the advancement of the belt is accomplished by the linkage, um, by this linkage, which is tied to the camshaft movement. Um, so the model is complete. However, I've encountered a lot of issues, and I will be pausing the project until at least sometime in 2025. Thank you, guys.